Okay, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on a French braid. And with her hair, I've already divided it into half. I've done a zigzag part and separated it and put this in a ponytail so it'll stay out of the way because I'm going to do 2 French braids on her. So you just start, I always start by wetting the hair down. It stays in a little better, I think, and combs easier. You start up near the front and just section off a small piece. There's not an exact science to this, just section off a piece. And you divide that piece into 3. So you have 3 small sections now. And if you call these sections A, B, and C, B always being the middle piece, A always being the one on the left, and C always being the one on the right. So you take A and you cross it over so they've crossed each other now. So now this is A, this is B, and this is C. And then you cross the middle piece again. So, and then you're going to pick up a little bit of hair and add it to the piece on the left, which is piece A. And then you're going to trade A and B places again. Okay, then you're going to pick up a little hair on the right and add it to piece C. And then you're going to switch B and C places. So the middle piece is always rotating. You're adding to the left and the right. Now we're going to add to the left again a piece A, and then just switch it with piece B. And now we're going to add to piece C and switch it with the middle. The trickiest thing about a French braid is just learning how to hold the hair in your fingers, and that does require a little bit of practice. If you're having a hard time with your daughter's hair, try getting a ball of yarn and cutting about 20 strings of yarn and then sectioning them and just practicing with the yarn until you have it, till you can figure out how to do it. It's just really, it just requires true practice, just learning how to hold it with your fingers. So again, this is piece A. We've just added a hair. We're going to switch it with piece B, which is the middle one. Now we're going to grab some hair, add it to piece C, switch it with piece B. And you continue to do this all the way down until you run out of hair. If you start getting bumps like this, you can grab your comb and flatten them out. I've gotten pretty good at just doing it with my fingers. And you just keep going till you have a French braid. Switch it with piece B, pick up hair, add to C, switch it with piece B, pick up hair, keep picking it up. You can see the braid starting to form. And then when you get down to the bottom, it just becomes a regular braid. At this point, your tails might be kind of frizzy, so comb them out. This is just a regular braid. And then you just secure it with a rubber band here, or you can flip it up and secure it with your rubber band here. It's just kind of a fun way to end a braid. You have a little bit of tail. Fluff the ends. And add a little hairspray. And repeat on the other side.